I'm Hira Hosèn and I'm here to catalyze global ascension. Today I'm in Bali. If you see all these black rocks around me, they are from the Mount Agung, and the Mount Agung is also called Shiva Mountain, and it's the one who woke up recently. I know why I'm here. I'm connecting very deeply to this mountain to be the new earth. There's many people here on Bali who are doing workshops and really helping the new earth. I feel part of that, manifesting that new earth, celebrating it, breathing it, living it. Yeah, I want to speak about the online classes that I give. You can call them online workshops, online classes, online webinars. The name doesn't matter so much. It's not like a lecture or something. It's not me talking. It's more that I'm guiding the flow of energy, the light for all of us to be this new earth. It's about doing certain meditations, exercises. We are guided by Source, and of course by your own guidance. And it's very, very interesting. The last workshop like this I was in Switzerland. A big group just joined in from everywhere, like California, Vancouver and Ibiza and Amsterdam, Belgium, like a whole group, England. Very sweet energy, very tender and yet very, very powerful. You're very welcome to join us. For now, I'm giving these workshops every 3 weeks. Once this gets more known and more familiar and more into the light grids and people start to get to know about it and wanting to join and participate into it, I'm considering doing it more often, like every 2 weeks or every week. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you would like it to be a weekly or 2 weekly. The thing is that imagine there is a huge light blast coming in, which is true. This is what's happening on the earth. There's so much light coming in. It's almost, if you don't know what's happening, so much light is coming in, then it could be kind of confusing. Because it's such a light blast, yeah? So imagine there's this light blast and you're trying to be that light as an individual, yeah? Alone, or how much more easy would it be to actually be that light as a group? So that's why I'm doing these classes, is to have that group dynamics and to have that light coming in and not carrying it alone as an individual, but as a group. And you don't need to be a member. It's not a community. It's just like you can come and go whenever you want. There's replays for it after, so you can use that energy as much as you want. It's very open, very free. You just log in. It's very easy. We go through Zoom, which is a very, very, very easy thing to use. You don't need to have an application, membership, whatever. It's very easy. I will send you a link and you can join. So you can book through me or through my website, whatever you prefer. The last time was so strong that afterwards, because it has been like, I don't know, 12 years that I've been guided to do these classes, like just plainly, like the name was Ascension classes, start giving them. And I always felt like, oh, it's not the time. I don't feel confident, stuff like that. And once it really happened, I mean, that beautiful group was really helping me with that initiation. It was just gorgeous. It was like so much energy coming through. After the class, I was like shaking. Okay, I was in Switzerland and it was very cold, but I was in a very warm surrounding in the beautiful home of my father-in-law, so I wasn't cold or anything. It was just like my body was shaking of this so much light coming in, and it was like, oh my god, like, so obviously there's different levels in the class. So the impact that these classes will have in your life and how long you can actually keep that high vibration of the group into your life depends on what you do in a daily life, like your emotions, your habits of thought. Are you having some obsessive thoughts coming back that are lowering your vibration? What do you do during the day? Stuff like this. So we as a group, we support each other in that moment to actually like keep that high vibration in your daily life, whatever your daily life looks like. So there's different levels in the class. Some of us are more there to anchor the energy, some of us are more there to help into our daily lives, to help keeping that vibration high. Some of us are there just because it's fun. So just whatever is your motivation, you're very welcome. One time, several times, whatever is your choice. So yeah, what more to say? I mean, it's very much about being the new earth. So for example, last year I was in Ibiza, and I was really there to hold frequency, like a template. I could really feel that below the island of Ibiza, there's like crystals holding a certain template. You could almost see it like a UFO, which is under it. And I feel blessed to have been part of it and to bring that about. And now I'm in Bali, and I'm, helping to bring that template here. And of course, many people are doing it, yeah? So it's not like, I'm doing that. No, it's like we're all, bringing these new, very high frequencies of light and love into the earth. And some places are more available, are more easy to actually be and celebrate that new earth and to live it. So choose your environment wisely. Of course, we can't all just leave everything, our family and friends and jobs and countries behind, so I'm not suggesting to do that. I'm just saying build an environment around you that is supporting that new earth vibration within and around you, and these classes can really help with that. They can really help that you can feel that you are part of that movement and part of that big awakening that's happening right now on the planet. And obviously you don't need these classes for that. You're probably feeling that already. It's just part of the work that we'll be doing together. So yeah. Hello. So I hope to see you. It's on Saturdays. See on your time zone. You can go to my website tantraoftheheart.com. Look at my services, and then you can book a private session with me. You're very welcome for that. We do an hour privately together, or come to my classes, and they're about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. They're interactive. It's with video, or if you only want to listen in, you're very welcome to do that. It's as you wish. So yeah, just come and join. I'm very excited about it. Really, really, honestly, I understand why I have not been doing it before, because I had to be ready. It's like I had to let go of so many layers of like agendas and motivations within me that I didn't even know I had. And now it just like really brings it to having fun and just really, really together, being on a new game board and really, really playing that new game and kind of like deciding together on what the rules are. I mean, the rules are clear. It's like the only rule that there is like you don't indulge in lower frequency behavior or lower frequency thoughts or emotions, and that's about it. You just don't indulge into it, and the rest is totally open to us to decide, so I'm super excited to play this new game, and I'm super excited that we are there. 2018 is very much about that. So let's see what we can do in 2018, 19, 20, like go on, so yeah, it's very much in that vibration. It's not like, it's my mission, or I want to save you, or whatever. No, it has nothing to do with that. It's really, really clearly, let's have some fun. So you're very welcome. Namaste. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you there, yeah? Much love from Bali.